Hello everyone, welcome. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking my videos. Today's another video of an open house here in the Villages, Florida, located at 1211 Addison Avenue. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. It is made of block and stucco. I hope you enjoy the tour. Welcome friends. As always, if you are interested in this home, please contact the listing agent. As I mentioned before, this home is located north of Highway 466 here in the Villages. You can see that it is a designer home. It is manufactured out of block and stucco. Let's go inside and take a look.
Hi, Tim.
Hello, how are you?
How you doing today? I guess it's July 10th. Is that right?
Yes,
wow,
it
I can't
is.
believe it, 2024. My name's Keith Chubb. I go by Chubby like the twist. Easy for you to remember. My wife, Jude Hamilton. Hey, Jude, like the song, you know, Jude. We're the listing agents for this beautiful home that just came on the market today. This is a stretched lantana with 2,044 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. Beautiful Florida room, also under heat and air. The three most important things always about buying pre-owned or pre-loved homes is the age of the roof, the HVAC, and the hot water heater. The roof is 2020, the tankless hot water heater is 2019, and the HVAC is 2021. So all of the major expenses have already been updated. Feel free to look around. It's a beautiful home, very nice crown molding, and Tim's going to take you on a tour right now.
That's right, thank you. I do appreciate that. I'll walk through the home.
By the way, we work with realty executives in the Villages. We are the largest and most successful MLS company here in the Villages with over 100 agents. So you're in good hands when you work with us. Take care.
Perfect, thank you. I do appreciate that. So here I'm standing in the foyer. It does have tile floors here in the foyer. And you can look into the living room area, and you do see the lanai in the back. Off to the right here in the foyer, you do have a bathroom and 2 bedrooms. Let's take a look. Here is the bedroom that's located in the front of the home. It does have carpeting. It does have a tray ceiling. Very well decorated. Does have a beadboard, headboard. This home is in very good condition. Here it does have a bathroom with tile floors. Does have a tub and a shower. It looks like it's a fiberglass tub and shower. These wood floors are beautiful. Here's another bedroom. This would be considered the 3rd bedroom. Let's take a walk back out into the foyer and into the living room, dining room area. Off to the left, you do have your dining area. These ceilings are really tall. Are they like 10 foot? I would guess. Here's the living room area and the kitchen area. I'll take you through the kitchen area a little bit later. I will video the spec sheet so everybody can kind of get an idea of what the specifications of this home are. It's an eat-in kitchen area over there with a patio door. There is tile floor in the lanai. It does have a mini split air conditioning unit here. Very nice. That is something that is welcomed here in Florida, especially in the summertime. The other day we did have a heat index of 105 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you have a lanai that is temperature controlled, that is very nice to have. You do have a door that leads out to your patio. And that is a sliding patio door off the dining area. That is your backyard. This is your backyard. This is your side yard. As I mentioned before, this is a block and stucco home. So it will handle high winds and rain much better than a wood framed home. Here's the dining area and the kitchen area. There is tile floors in the dining and kitchen area. These are solid surface countertops as well. I will video the spec sheet here for you. As always, if you are interested in this home, please contact the listing agent. It does have stainless appliances. The stove is natural gas, which is really nice. The sink looks like it's a one large bowl sink. Very nice crown molding running throughout. This house is gorgeous. Nice new stainless appliances. Really nice high ceilings. Ceramic tile running into the laundry room. Here's the laundry. It's inside laundry. Very nice. And you do have cabinets and shelving units. I assume this is the door that leads into the garage. Let's take a look at the garage. And there is your garage. Has storage area in the garage. This is a 2-car garage. Does have a sink in the garage. Those are welcomed. I think my next stop will be in the master bedroom. Here's the master bedroom. It does have carpet. does have very high ceilings. Does have a master bathroom. Right there, master bathroom. There is ceramic tile flooring in the master bathroom. It does have a separate commode room. Has a very nice walk-in closet with shelving unit. Take a look at the commode room, ceramic tile in there as well. Does have 2 sinks and solid surface. The white cabinets are beautiful. Does have a ceramic tile shower. Looks like it has lots of storage space as well. Here's the shower. Very nice shower. Walking back into the master bedroom. And I will exit the home. Thanks for watching this video, everybody. I do hope you appreciate the house tour.
Hey, oh, by the way, Chubby again. I just wanted to tell you a couple of other things about this house. First of all, the Florida room that you see behind me, that faces southeast. And it's really important to know which way your house faces when you're deciding to buy in the Villages, because the morning sun is going to be coming into that room, and the afternoon sun, which is much hotter, will be coming into the front of the house. So you'll be able to enjoy that Florida room for a much longer period of time, because it's in the early part of the day that it gets most of the sun. A couple of other things about the location that we're in right now. This is in the village of Glenbrook, by the way, near the Glenview Country Club. And we are just also a stone's throw away from the Nancy Lopez Country Club as well. We have 4 executive golf courses and 2 championship courses very close to this location, as well as we are about a 10-minute car ride to either Lake Sumter Landing Square or the Spanish Springs Square, which is also really great. And let's see, there's one other thing. Oh, did you guys know that Costco's coming here in 2025? We're going to be about 3 miles away from that, and that's going to be on 466 near Hobby Lobby. So again, great location. Give us a call if this interests you, or somebody that you know is interested in coming to the coolest place to live, the Villages. Hey, we did forget to mention that everything that you see in the house conveys with the house, except for just a few pieces. So this will not convey, this set right here, this collection right here. Okay, those are the only things in the house that will not convey. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, everything else that you see in the house will convey with the property.
Thanks for watching my video, everybody, and liking the videos and subscribing to my channel. I hope you enjoyed today's tour of this open house here in the Villages, Florida. Take care, everybody.